The Gut Health Guide, achieving a strong and healthy digestive system.
Did you know that a healthy gut is the foundation of overall health and well-being? Your digestive system plays a crucial role in supporting your immune system, nutrient absorption, and even your mood. So, let's explore how you can achieve a strong and healthy gut. First, focus on your diet. Eat a variety of whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These foods are rich in fiber, which nourishes the beneficial bacteria in your gut and promotes regular bowel movements. Speaking of bacteria, let's talk about probiotics. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are good for your digestive system. They can be found in foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi, or you can take them in supplement form. Probiotics help balance the bacteria in your gut and support a healthy immune system. Another key aspect of gut health is managing stress. Stress can disrupt the balance of bacteria in your gut and impair digestion. Incorporate stress management techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or exercise into your daily routine. It's also important to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps your digestive system function properly and prevents constipation. So, make sure to sip on water throughout the day. Lastly, avoid processed foods, excessive alcohol, and smoking. These can damage your gut lining and disrupt the balance of bacteria in your gut. Taking care of your gut health is essential for overall wellness. Remember, a healthy gut leads to a healthier you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and advice.